Hi guys, I just wanted to jump on quickly and let you know of a new update that we've done on the Gellibn app. So there's a new update, and the first thing that you will notice is that there's a new resource center on the menu at the bottom of the app right here. This is now the home of all of your business documents, and we've completely upgraded it to make managing your documents much easier. So one of the biggest new features is that you can now ask the AI assistant to update your documents for you. So no more typing. Well, you can if you want to, but you can actually tell the assistant to update a document. You can tell it what you want it to update or edit, and it'll do it for you. You can approve the changes before you save it. You can even ask it to review any of your documents and make suggestions or improvements. The assistant will make the changes for you inside of the app, and then you'll be able to review them and approve them before saving. So the other thing that you can do is you can ask the assistant to create brand new documents from scratch for you. So for example, I asked it to create a social media policy for me. So I told it what I wanted. It created the document. I had a look at it. Once I was happy with it, I saved it and it's in the app. If you'd rather edit the document yourself, you still can do that, and you can do that inside the app. All you have to do is press edit, and then it allows you to do any typing that you like. We've also made organizing your documents much easier. So you can now browse your document library and you can rearrange them. So all you have to do is just drag them anywhere you want to. You can create a new folder and you can drag the files and put them in your chosen folder. So you can keep your documents more organized. To import a document, you just click on import and you will be able to import your document as per usual. Any documents that you do not use anymore, you can archive them. So you click on the three dots here, you click on archive, and then you will find that file in the archives, and you can always restore it if you want to by pressing here, or you can delete. You can also search for any documents on the search bar. So if you're looking for something specific, you can just type a keyword and you'll be able to find the document that you're looking for. Now, because we've introduced the resource center, we've also reorganized the menu slightly. So your company's and staff center is now under your profile. So you still have your own profile, then you have your company, and then your team center under your profile tab. So the resource center now has its own dedicated space. We'll continue adding more features to it over time. And we'll also add more resources for you, like templates and educational guides and more of those things that can help you in the future. We hope you enjoy the update, and we'll see you in the next one.